Hello and welcome to this video for the 2022 Scholarship Calculus for question 3a. So given f of x equals to e to the power 5x times square root of x plus 1 over e to the power of square root of x plus 1, find the exact value of f dash of 0. You might find the relationship, the derivative of line of f of x equals to f dash of x over f of x helpful. Alright, so in terms of this question, you can choose to not use the hint, and that's going to give you a disastrously complicated quotient rule that is very easy to make a mistake. And I think we really should be utilizing the hint for this question. It saves a lot of time and it reduces the chance you'll make a mistake. So let's use the hint. So looking at what is line of f of x, let's evaluate that first. So line of f of x, that is equal to line of the whole thing, obviously. So f e to the power of 5x times square root of x plus 1 all over e to the power of square root of x plus 1. So if you recall our log rules, we can rewrite this as ln of e to the power of 5x times square root of x plus 1 minus line of e to the power of square root of x plus 1. And we can continue to rewrite this as line of e to the power of 5x plus line of x plus square root of x plus 1 minus line of e to the power of square root of x plus 1. So notice that the lines and the e's will cancel each other out. So we have 5x plus line of square root of x plus 1 minus square root of x plus 1. So in this case, we can actually keep simplifying this line here. So we have 5x plus line of x plus 1 to the power of 1/2 minus square root of x plus 1. So let's bring the power to the coefficient. So that's another log rule. So we have 1/2 of line of x plus 1 minus square root of x plus 1. So now we have a really easy form to differentiate. So let's find the derivative of line of f of x. So line of f of x dash, that equals to 5 plus 1 over 2 times of x plus 1 minus 1/2 of x plus 1 to the power of negative 1/2. So let's evaluate line of f of x at x equals to 0. So let's evaluate line of f of 0 dash, that equals to 5 plus of 1 over x 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 times 2 is just 2. Okay, minus 1/2 of 1 over square root of 0, 1. That's just 1 again. So line of f of 0 is equal to 5 plus 1/2 minus 1/2. That's just 5. So that's 5 is equal to f dash of 0 over f of 0. That's using the relationship from here. So we're going to evaluate f dash of 0, and we want to evaluate f dash of 0. So we just need to find what f of 0 is. So f of 0 is simply e to the power of 0 multiplied by square root of 1 all over 1. E to the power of 1. So that is equal to 1 over e. Brilliant. So now we have 5 equals to f dash of 0 over, not over anymore, so it's 1 over e. If you do 1 over e, that's just e. So we have f dash of 0 equals to, times of e. So therefore f dash of 0 equals to 5 over e. And that would be this question completed. The derivative at 0 is 5 over e. And in terms of this question, it's definitely but you really should be utilizing the hint they give you in this question. Otherwise, you might be taking 15 minutes to differentiate that and possibly be making loads of mistakes. It's really not an easy function to just differentiate by hand. So using this rule is really cheeky, and we can get just f dash of 0 is 5 over e pretty quickly. And it's also very useful to be familiar with your log rules, and that's also for level 3 calculus as well. You really do need to be familiar with the log rules, such as ln and e will cancel each other out, and you can move the square root to the front of the ln. This makes the differentiation even easier, so even less chance that you'll make a mistake. So just some key tips to keep in mind, and that is all for this question, and I hope to see you all in question 3b.